Unicorn. Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. Today we are going to draw a coolest and colorful parrot. Are you guys ready to draw with me? Let's start with our parrot beak. Make it happier one or maybe a surprised one. Now I'm drawing parrot head. I love drawing, it's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Let's draw our parrot body with its feathers and wings. Now I'm adding feathers to our parrot wings. Don't forget to draw our parrot's cute eyes. Let's draw our parrot wings. Parrots have strong wings that they use to fly really fast. Look, our parrot looks so happy. Now let's give our parrot some feet so it can stand on the branch. Finally, let's add tail. Our parrot looks so cool.
Let's color it.
Parrots come in all sort of amazing colors like green, red, blue, yellow. So let's make our parrot super colorful. I'm going to color the head with red, the belly with pink and wings with blue and yellow color. But in Magic Unicorn art, you can choose any color you like. Just have fun coloring. Did you know that parrots are super smart just like you? They can learn to talk and even do comedy and tricks. Isn't it cool? I'm going to color the beak with yellow color and I'm giving the shady effect by making it darker. Don't worry if your parrot is not exactly like mine. Parrot comes in different size and many colors. They are all unique just like you are. So have fun drawing and coloring. Did you know that parrots can live for a really long time? Some parrots live up to 80 years. That's even older than some of our grandparents. I'm coloring our parrot's feet with yellow color. Now I'm coloring wings feathers with blue color. Do you know parrots are some of the coolest and most colorful bird in our world? you know parrots can imitate different types of sounds? Now I'm coloring the belly with pink color. Wow, our parrot looks smart and so cool.
Amazing!
I love drawing and coloring a parrot with you guys. Hope you guys loved it. Please subscribe to my channel.